Good morning, everybody. Yes, I'm here in the country, and I wanted to show Gypsy Rose something. Gypsy Rose, see the parish line right here? Ooh, I'm tripping all over tin. Look at the tin down there on the ground. Them beans look really pretty out there. Go back in there because you let the window down. You gotta let the window down. See, right here, that's East Care Parish. Right here, Gypsy Rose, this is the parish line that you were talking about. Now, on this side is East Care Parish. On that side is Madison Parish. That's just how close it is. This is what I was trying to show you that. This is just how, see, Tennessee, Wiggins, they're over there on that side, back there by the levee. So I just wanted to show you that. So all this over here, Madison, Tallulah, Lake Providence. All right. All righty. Hey y'all, I'm here in the cornfield. Right now, they didn't dump corn right here. And when they finish with the corn, they burn the stalks. Who's that driving the truck, Dexter? Who's that driving the truck, Dexter?
That's South African.
Who?
Yeah, South African.
Where?
That ain't Clark. Right here.
What Leon at?
Oh, no, I don't know who he is.
Who's that? Dexter?
No.
Is Leon got his down here?
Yeah. Dexter got that truck and Dad got that truck.
I'm talking about the combine.
Oh, that's Clark.
What? Oh, that's Clark?
Yeah.
Oh, okay then.
That's the field right here. The man right here.
That's Clark Field.
That man right there. He owns it.
How many acres I want to do he have? 6,000?
600.
600?
6,000? You can't have that.
6,000?
No.
Oh, he just got 600 acres?
Corn.
Okay. Oh, that's just corn. He ain't got no beans. Oh, okay then. He got more than six. All that is. So what Dexter went to go do a load?
Right there with the mound.
In the mound? Y'all look at this husk. See how they cotton picker, these cotton, these corn, cut corn and ain't nothing in here. They take it all out, huh?
I was out there big tired though.
Tie your shoe up, Quincy.
Look.
Who? You call him South Africa? Is it? Wait, whose truck is that over here?
Clark.
Where's Leon them at?
They already got loaded.
They already loaded? Oh, that corn. Y'all see that corn coming out of there?
We can go out there where I was yesterday.
Where?
When I was in the Grand Park, we could go corn out there.
I was looking for some cotton down up in here. Leon still hollering with this? Huh? He's still using that dually for hauling? Huh?
Not right now.
Let's use it.
Huh?
Let's use it tonight.
Not right now. What you gonna do?
Probably ride down here and see can I find some more cotton. I came down and I seen some cotton, but mostly all this down here. Yeah, I did see some cotton coming down. No, coming up that way, it was some cotton up there.
Beans.
No, I seen the cotton.
Oh,
I'm telling you, I ain't seen no, but I don't know about coming this way. This Tennessee Parish.
Tennessee Parish, across that bridge right there, that's
Tennessee Parish.
You see that bridge when you cross?
What that man finna, what he finna do with that, what he finna do with that corn?
They probably put deals or something.
They ain't gonna go drop it off?
I said that's probably for his deer.
I say, but what they no, he gone down the road with that.
That man right there, he had a dollar on the truck and everything.
He did. Look, this is for sale. What is that, Tay?
Chocolate.
Huh?
Salt chocolate.
Look at all this corn, y'all. Look at all that corn. Good and pretty. Look at all that.
Feel moist.
It don't feel moist. It don't feel moist.
Oh yeah, he's a white guy though.
Too bad I
You
ain't.
hear me?
Oh, but he's from South Africa.
You hear him talk, you know.
Wait, that's Tallulah. What farm is that from Tallulah?
This is Clark. His last name Clark.
Oh, but it don't say. I seen Tallulah. That's why I was wondering. Yeah, I am in Tallulah, ain't I? On this dusty road. All that pretty corn. I guess I can go find me some trees. Go find some trees to go to. Why you ain't got tennis shoes or boots on out here, boy?
I ain't been doing that.
Yeah, we're gonna go look at us some. I'm finna go ride down
Where I
here.
was yesterday?
Yeah, where were you at yesterday?
I was somewhere outside of Tallulah. Going to a deer house.
Oh, I ain't going way out to it.
No, it ain't. It's right there by the women's prison.
What was that? What's down there?
That's where I was. To go down now?
No, I'm finna go find some corn. I mean, some cotton. Look, watch that tractor.
Oh, you gotta move your car.
That's the kind of grain cart I want right there. I don't know. Maybe we can go to Case International. Hey, Gypsy Rose. I got the kids' stuff in this bag. This bag came in handy. I got their shorts. Now we got to go get us some drinks and stuff. And what? Hey, can y'all say hello?
Hey, go in that truck and look on the seat and get my book bag.
Man, Tay had him a job, y'all. He was doing some farm work, but he hired somebody else because he promised the other guy the job. And when you're here in the South, people kind of stick to their word. If they tell you you got a job, you got a job. So now when it's time to diss, he got Tay for to do the dissing.
Clark right there.
So now we're going on up here. They haven't even reached this part. They might be through with this field today.
Nope.
That field go way back there in the back. That corn already been cut right there, so they're gonna burn those stalks right over here. I seen some corn, the corn, soybeans, cotton, and pecan trees.
So where we going?
I'll show you. Just keep driving until I tell you to stop. This boy I always put on cruise control. I don't never use that dog on cruise control. Look at them trees on the side of the road. Those look really pretty right now. And as you can see, no, I has not fixed my crack. I has not. Now I have not. No, I had not fixed my crack on my car. Not impairing my vision, so I'm good. I want to ride on up here a little ways and check out some of these. This man always sell farm equipment up here. You know what I'm talking about, in the yard at their house. Yeah, I want to stop there. What? They burning those corn stalks. Yeah, look how pretty it is up there in that sky. you guys saying that you guys want to see more of the farmland and different outdoor things, so I decided, hey, let me bring this to you. Right now, Brenda is house sitting. Her friend got sick. They say he had a light stroke. You guys remember nephew who was eating the food in a video? Well, he's in the hospital, so they're saying that his kidneys failed and he had a stroke on his right side. So Brenda is house sitting, so hopefully I get a chance to get Brenda in the video. Now look at this pecan orchard right here. What parish is this though? This ain't Madison Parish, is it? We're still, this is way down here by Norton, Louisiana. Right here, Tay.
We on the,
this is where, go up, I want to see that tractor in that yard right there. Go up. You all, this is what I like. Look at that little tractor right there. That's really neat. I've never been down up in here.
Because I think this is a home road like ours.
It is like a road?
No, it's like a road, like it's just their road. Only they use it like how we use the side road.
Oh, okay then.
You still want to go around? You want
nah, you can turn around. You going to that ditch?
I know how to drive.
I know you know how to drive, but that's a deep ditch right there.
The ditch all the way.
Oh, whatever, Tay. Okay, Tay. Okay.
You know how to drive.
Okay, Tay.
I've been doing this my whole life.
How you been driving your whole life and you ain't?
Dexter?
Dexter, in the country, we trust children for real. You be like, get in there and do that. Get in there and do that. That's what they do in the country. You just learn. They don't teach you nothing. You just learn as you go. Once again, you guys, this is the pecan orchard on, this is 65 Tallulah north. This north?
Yeah, going towards that road.
Yeah, because it'll be south going the other way. Y'all see that smoke? They cutting the
Burning.
They burning. After they cut, they burn the corn stalks. See, right here. How they burn.
They this around the field.
Yeah. Right now, I'm headed to go get another vehicle because one of the big trucks that hauled grain had a blowout. So now I got. Whoa! Did you see that?
I'm looking at them.
Man. So man, the car was over in my lane. But anyway. One of the big trucks had a blowout, so I got to go get one truck to load up some tires to bring back to the cornfield or back to the, so I got to go. This wasn't in the plan, but it worked out pretty good. This country girl got it under control. All right, taking you guys with me on that journey. All right, y'all, I hope I can drive this big old truck. Lord Jesus, it's just a lot of truck to try to go meet. Huh? Tay drive this one probably. Go get your granddaddy some water and throw in this truck. Okay, y'all. Working. A working girl. Working woman. Working farm woman. All right. All right, y'all. I don't know what all this stuff is. This is a big truck, but I'm gonna have to do it. So I'm gonna have to pull it. Hey, when I get back, they said I can ride with them when they on the grain cart, the one that's pulling the tractor on the grain cart. So I'll be on the grain cart, y'all. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, we're at the Case International place here in Tallulah, Louisiana, but I don't know what kind of combine this is. I came over here to got some teeth. Wow, Anybody familiar with this? It is a combine. Never seen one like this one before. It's an older model too. Back in the days. I got the boys with me. I stopped by here to look at some equipment, but I really stopped because I was thinking about, look at how beautiful this cotton is. Let's see how this cotton look right here. Oh, these got some pretty big bows on these. Right here. Some pretty big ones. Might be some snakes down up in there too. Should I take a chance? Yeah, I will. Yeah. If a snake over in here, he go his way, I go my way. Wow, this is a little short one. Cotton. But these got some nice little bows on. It's a big bow right here. Cotton is tall right up in here. Let me see.
We'll take this home. We'll take this home. It's all the same. Tall.
This is cotton. It's much taller.
I could get lost with me.
Yeah, that's got a real. That'll be a good hiding place for somebody to hide at right there.
We learn how to seek in the field.
Huh?
We learn how to seek in the field.
In the cornfield.
No,
I know one thing. It's hot out here. There your dad go right there.
yeah, always
Yeah, man, it meant, look, we stood out here in the sun. This really ain't hot compared to now. It's hot out here, but I remember many days and just smelling the cotton remind me of chopping cotton. Just smelling it remind me of it.
I'm trying to be.
I was trying to get on one of these tractors and see.
Oh, they don't, the doors are locked. Doors always.
I gotta go take these boys to get them something to eat.
Take that chop on.
Every time I take them somewhere, they hungry. You guys, I heard JW say this. JW, yeah, I want me a tractor. I do want me a tractor.
Got no
That's one of those.
pieces.
What is that?
That's the thing off the hill.
I know. Those the teeth. Those the teeth. I wonder where they going. Tay, here come Tay. Granddaddy dropped them off. I wonder where they going. I don't know. Let me ride on up here and see what this boy doing.
Sit in.
They just got through dumping. We just got through eating. Look at this sandy land. I mean, this dirt. I need to see what kind of soil this is. I don't know what kind of dirt this is, but this is some really good dirt. So, my nephew way back there in the back there. On one of these grain carts, grain carts.
She's gonna rotate.
The shoes. You say, they got a clipper up there. They gonna try to work on getting another tractor. And throw me on that.
Oh, that's what they said?
He just told me. He said
What?
if they get their hands on another tractor, they gonna have me clip the stalks.
To cut the stalks.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That'll work real good, huh?
Yeah.
Make your own money.
I was getting that though. You can run right to that.
Oh, okay.
He on that digger. You got him too?
That's
Look.
the one way back there. Ain't it?
Look at that big.
That's a nice one right there. That's some good tin on that tractor right there. Y'all want a country videos? And I'm bringing you country videos, tractors, trucks,
No, that man playing.
soybeans, country kids, clouds. What you gonna do? Stay out here? Or you gonna wait on Jawan or what?
What, you ain't even do nothing?
I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Okay, y'all, check this out. Found a field with some rice. Let's check out this rice over here. Rice take a whole lot more water.
What is this?
This is a rice right here. I was finna say wheat. Huh? This rice. Let's see. Yeah.
That's my cereal already.
You what?
That's my cereal.
Some cereal. Look how far that is. Look how beautiful that is out there.
I'm playing go-karts to uncle.
Yeah. Look at that.
Phyllis,
Huh?
he right there.
Here. Okay. Yeah.
You know, do no.
No. Over there, Gypsy Rose. This is 65. Right up in here, 65. See the birds up there, y'all? What you got in your hand? This is what they had for lunch. They went to Wendy's. When you take kids places, they always get hungry. They got to use the bathroom, they get hungry. And I asked my son earlier, I said, you want the kids? So they can run. No, they ain't the way. They always got to use the bathroom or want something to eat. Show ain't lying. Show ain't lying. All right, yeah. It's hot out here. I'm trying to pump gas. Oh God. I have done some things today as for going on a journey to the fields and had my grandkids. Now I'm tired. Once again, I wanted to tell you all, Brenda is staying with a friend. I just talked to her not too long ago. And he did have a stroke. They got to try to get his kidneys back in order. Because he was the type of person that used to be like me, to eat whatever. He wanted to eat a lot of sugar, and it knocked his kidneys out of whack. So, you all, I keep you informed on how Brenda doing, and she stops in and out. Okay, my pump stopped. Oh, thank you, God.
Afternoon boost. Pick up a refreshing iced coffee to help
And
you where you're going.
keep you guys informed on how she's doing. She came home this morning for a little while, but she had to go back because somebody has to be there at his house. So you guys like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Since Brenda's not being at home, I guess I have to get out a lot, move around a lot. I may come and do some more video tomorrow here in Louisiana. I might get out tomorrow. I'm gonna see what field they in, and I gotta get in contact with some people with the cotton because I want to send some of my YouTube friends some cotton, and I want to go out there in their field and cut some of those stalks down and mail them off. But anyway, you I keep y'all informed and try to get clips with Brenda when she comes home to visit. All right, right now I'm right here in Tallulah, Louisiana. Just got some gas.